This is Gibanica.
And I'm gonna show him how to make it the right way. Crack 5 eggs.
Bells in.
Faster. Use the 1 cup oil. 2 big tablespoons sour cream. Use your brain. 2 cups milk. Faster. 2 teaspoons salt.
That's it, bre.
250 grams feta cheese. Squish it. 250 grams mladi sir, cottage cheese.
Squish, squash, squish.
2 sheets filo pastry. 1 spoon batter.
That's it.
Another 2 layers. Another batter. 1/3 of the cheese mixture. Spread it around. And now
Some fresh parsley.
Look at the parsley, man! Use this! I told you! No fucking parsley! Jel razumeš?
Yes, Nata.
Ajde!
You're gonna continue with the layers, 2 layers, batter, 2 layers, 1/3 cheese until you finish. Slice it into the cubes, pour the rest of the batter.
Then, you're gonna bake at 200 degrees for 35 minutes or until golden brown. Let it cool, and it's good to eat.
Wow, I'm actually genuinely blown away. What did we season this with? Wow.
Hvala!
Nema na čemu!